Today we're going to draw and colour something super exciting. Peppa Pig. But wait, this isn't just any ordinary Peppa Pig drawing. Oh no! Peppa is standing on a radish farm. How cool is that? Let's get started.
Gibs Brush Art.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Gibs Brush Art, your favourite colouring book channel, where we create colour and have tons of fun together. First, we'll start by sketching Peppa Pig. Let's begin with her cute little snout and those big round eyes. Remember, Peppa's face is like a big circle with a smile that's always ready for adventure. Now let's give Peppa her adorable dress and those tiny arms and legs. Oh, and don't forget her curly little tail. Once Peppa is ready, we'll draw the radish farm around her. Imagine rows and rows of fresh, juicy radishes popping out of the ground. We'll add some leaves and maybe even a few clouds in the sky to make it extra fun. Now that our drawing is complete, it's time for the best part, colouring. Let's grab our favourite colours and bring Peppa and her radish farm to life.
I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Peppa's dress is a bright red and her skin is a soft pink. Look at that! Peppa Pig is standing proudly on her radish farm, surrounded by fresh, colourful radishes. Doesn't it look amazing? Remember, there's no right or wrong way to colour. Just let your creativity flow and have fun with it. Don't forget to colour her cheeks with a little blush to make her extra cute. Don't worry if you're not an expert at drawing. Just follow along and have fun. Thanks for joining me today on Gibs Brush Art. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our fun colouring adventures. And hey, let me know in the comments, what should we draw and colour next? Until then, keep creating, keep colouring, and most importantly, keep having fun. Bye for now.